Good morning, boys and girls. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day today. Reminder, please be sure to be watching the sounds video every day and practicing your sounds. Now let's get started. We're going to be reading some words. Remember, when we see a little sound, we do not say that sound. Finger starts on the big ball. Sound it out with me. Get ready. Eat. Again. Get ready. Eat. Say it fast. Eat. And here's a picture of a dog who's cooking some dinner and getting ready to eat. Next word. Finger on the big ball. Sound it out with me. Get ready. Seat. Again. Get ready. Seat. Say it fast. Seat. And here's a picture of some students taking a seat on a carpet. Next word. Finger on the big ball. Sound it out with me. Get ready. In. Again. Get ready. In. Say it fast. In. And here's a picture of a penguin in a box. Next word, finger on the big ball. Sound it out with me. Get ready. Man. Again. Get ready. Man. Say it fast. Man. And here's a picture of a gingerbread man. Now we're going to practice reading the sentence on your worksheet. Finger starts on the big ball. And as you can see, our words and our sounds do not have the little balls under them anymore. So we're going to be moving our finger under the sounds. Finger starts on the big ball. Sound it out with me. Get ready. It. Again. Get ready. It. Say it fast. It. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Is. Again. Get ready. Is. Say it fast. Is. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. On. Again. Get ready. On. Say it fast. On. And I'm going to read the sentence to you the fast way. It is on. And here's a picture of Miss Rodriguez turning on a light bulb. The light bulb is on. It is on. Great job today, students. I hope you all have a fantastic day. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.